Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE NEXUS 4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage dedicated smartphone app. In the beginning, make sure that your dashcam is turned on and connected with your smartphone. Also make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled on your dashcam and your smartphone is connected to dashcam Wi-Fi. Right here you can manage the camera, enter camera grid, check miles statistics and go to settings. In settings you can basically manage each setting you could on the system of your dashcam. The only difference is that in Dashcam we've got those settings divided into record and system settings. If you go back and go to Me, you can check firmware update for the dashcam. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.